Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make and receive calls on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, Series 8, or the Apple Watch Series and Apple Watch Ultra, and now you want to make a phone call on your Apple Watch or receive a phone call on your Apple Watch, then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do to make a phone call on your Apple Watch is make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are paired together. So your Apple Watch is going to use your iPhone phone number as your Apple Watch phone number. And this is the phone number your Apple Watch is going to recognize as the iMessage or FaceTime phone number. So once your Apple Watch is paired to your iPhone, now you can go ahead and make a phone call on your Apple Watch. To do this, just go ahead and press the 3 once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the phone app. Now, once you click on the phone app, you see VV Write, Recent, Contact and Voicemail. Now, you can go to your Apple Watch contact or full contact to choose the number you want to call. However, if you want to dial a number on your Apple Watch, click on this option at the top left. Then you see the dial page opens. Now go ahead and dial the number you want to call on your Apple Watch. And then click on the dial number. Once you hit the number, you see your Apple Watch making a call, just like that. Then this is ringing. Then you can see the phone call is ongoing. So that is how you can make a phone call on Apple Watch. Now, if you have an incoming call on your Apple Watch, you just need to pick it as if you pick your normal call on your iPhone or Android. So, once the phone is ringing, then you have it pop just like this on your Apple Watch. Now go ahead and click on the pick button or answer button. Then you see the call answered, and then you are good. So that is basically how to make call and receive calls on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.